What's up guys, IT and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine from morning till the night, and probably all those things that I use and the order that I use them in. And also don't skip out on this video because at the end I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite things to do on like a pamper day, or when my skin needs some extra nourishment and hydration to them. So make sure you watch this video till the end to know all these things. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy seeing this video, and if you just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without wasting much more time, let's get into it. So starting on from my morning routine, so the first thing that I do is wash my face, and for that I use this cleanser which is from VLCC. This is the sandalwood cleanser, but if you have dry skin, like extremely dry skin, or if it's winter, then only use this cleanser because it's kind of very creamy and kind of leaves your skin a little sticky. So that's something, if you don't like that, then don't use this cleanser. Only use it if you have extremely dry skin, because in winters my skin kind of get a little patchy and I get like white spots all over my face. So that's why I use this cleanser. Once this is done, and I try to pat dry my face and not rub it, because I have seen a lot of people doing this, like they just rub their face with a towel. So don't do that if you want to protect your skin and if you don't want your skin to age early on. So make sure you keep that in mind. Then the next thing that I do is I go on to my rose water. Now you know that I love rose water. If you have been watching me for a while, then you know that I'm obsessed with rose water and I cannot live without it. So I put this in this spray bottle, and I usually, whenever I just wash my face, that's where I kind of spread it all over. If it's summer season, keep this in refrigerator, and yeah, if you want that cooling effect, then that's what you get it. And once this is done, when my skin is actually damp, that is when I use a serum. So the one that I'm using is from the Biotique, and this one is the Biodendalian. This one is actually very good. I kind of don't like the smell, but it's very nice for your skin. So that's what I use. It's like this mini compact bottle, and yeah, you can travel it anywhere with it. So once my skin is damp, that's when I put it on and let it sit for like 1 minute, and once that's done, that's when I go on to my eye cream. So the one that I'm using is this one from the Beauty Co. This is basically their under eye gel, and it is very refreshing. The smell is not kind of good, and actually don't buy anything which has fragrance in it because it's not super good for your skin. So yeah, don't buy something which has fragrance. And once this is done, that's when I head to my moisturizer. And for my moisturizer, I'm currently using this Joy honey and almond skin cream, and it's very good for or dry skin, because my skin, as I already said you, is very dry. So I use this one. It's kind of has this creamy texture, but right after 2 or 3 minutes it kind of soaks into your skin and you don't even feel that you have something on your face, which is amazing. And once I get done with my moisturizer, the only thing that's remaining is sunscreen. Don't forget, if it's morning, don't step out of your house, or even if you're staying home, don't forget to apply your sunscreen, because it's very important and you don't have to skip it. And the sunscreen that I'm currently using is from this brand called Tata. It's Hey Sunshine SPF 50 sunscreen. It does not have paraben, which is a plus point. And also, whenever you're buying something, make sure it does not have paraben, because parabens are not so good for your skin. So this one has no parabens, which is amazing, and it's SPF 50. So yay. So this is what I'm using, and this is about to get finished. So I brought another one, and this is from Trizon. It's also with no parabens, which is amazing. It's kind of this one is kind of a little sticky and kind of takes a while to get away, but this one just gets absorbed into your skin right away, and it does not even feels that you have something on your skin. It's very creamy, it gets into your skin very easily, and that's why it's very nice to use. So these are the two sunscreens that I'm using currently. So those were all the things that I do for my morning skincare. Now moving on to my night skin. My night skincare is kind of similar to my morning skincare, but there are some products that I use differently or some product that I switch in the morning. For my night skincare, I first, if I have makeup, I use a micellar water. So the one water that I'm using currently is from Nivea. This one is the Micelle Air Skin Breathe Micellar Water. It's very nice. I use it with a cotton pad and just gently remove all the makeup that I have from my skin. But that's not it. You have to wash your face after that. So to wash my face, since I want to double cleanse and I want to remove all the makeup from my skin, I kind of use this spinning brush which I brought from Amazon a while ago, and it's the best thing ever. So I use it with my cleanser and kind of wash my face, and I use it just 2 times a week, and that's about it. And it's very nice. It gently removes all the makeup from your skin and does not leave your skin with any impurities, which is amazing. So that's what I do, and once I'm done with cleansing my face and my skin kind of feels a little stretched because all of the things are removed and I need to put the moisture back into my skin, so that's when I go and apply rose water just like I do in the morning, and then I go in and apply my serum. So for night I usually go on for this vitamin C serum. This one is from the brand called Irim. This is vitamin C serum. It kind of looks like this, and it is in the black kind of dark bottle, and that's the reason because you don't have to keep your vitamin C or retinol serums into the sunlight, because that kind of damages its original components. It also has retinol in it, so that's why if you're using retinol, make sure that you're using sunscreen the next day, because your skin kind of gets photosensitive. So make sure you're using sunscreen if you're using something which has retinol in it. After that, I keep it on for about 5 minutes and I don't use anything above it for the next 5 minutes. That's because you don't have to use something right after you use retinol on your face or vitamin C on your face. You have to let it soak a bit, because sometimes if you use too much products right after one after the other, it kind of reacts with your skin, and you don't want that reaction, because that reaction can cause pimples and all those things. So once the 5 minutes are over, that is when I go in and apply my eye cream which I showed you early on. And once I'm done with my eye cream, that's when I go in and apply my moisturizer, because it's very very important. So yeah, using the same moisturizer from the early on. Once I'm done with my moisturizer, I am pretty much done with my nighttime routine and I'm ready to go to sleep or do any work that's remaining. Also early on I said you guys that I'm gonna give you guys some extra tips on what you can do on like a pamper routine, or sometimes when your skin needs kind of extra hydration and moisture into it. That's when I go in and apply some sheet mask, because they are amazing and the amazing invention ever. They kind of help you into getting that moisture back into your skin. Also make sure that whenever you're using or buying sheet mask, you are buying sheet masks that are suitable for your skin, because there are some products that are not as much suitable. So make sure you're buying something that you know that would work, or just go for very simple ingredients like which you know that would not cause any allergic reaction to your skin. So, and also do a patch test before applying sheet mask. So make sure to do a patch test before applying your sheet mask. And if I don't want to use any scrub, so one natural thing that I do is to apply oats. So I do oats and a little bit of water into it and apply it on my skin. So if you don't want to use water, then you can switch it with rose water for some extra benefits, and that way you kind of get a little moisture from that oats. And also secondly, rub your face in a very natural way and it's gentle, so you are not over scrubbing. And also sometimes when I just don't want to use anything and I want to use one plain ingredient, that's when I use dahi, which is plain yogurt. I literally just put it on my face, keep it for 20 minutes straight and just wash off my face, and my face feels so damn smooth. So that's what I do, and this were all the things that I do basically on like occasionally when I want to give my skin that extra boost of something. So that's what I do. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you do, just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, I am sure I would answer them, so leave them below in the comment section and I would gladly reply to you as soon as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.